A dad was running late while he was taking his kids to school. He missed a turn. Frustrated, he waited until he got to the next light and then he made a U-turn. His kid said, "Dad, you made an illegal U-turn, but it's okay. The police officer behind us just did the same thing." Welcome to the Dad Bod. Today I have the May 2021 monthly watch box. Just a quick recap of the past few months with this box. In February, I got a Casio watch that just felt used. The box was actually for a different watch, and then the manual was for yet another different watch. I didn't get a watch for March because something got screwed up on their end. In April, I got another Casio watch that you can get online for $23, and then the box itself costs $34. So far, it hasn't really been the best experience with these guys. That being said, let's take a look and see what we got this month. It looks like yet another Casio. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me go take a look online and see what I can find out about this watch. I'm back and I found out some pretty good information about the watch. But before we get to that, I want to give a shout out to Terry Austin. I picked your comment for today's video shout out. Terry says, "Great intro. That was funny, and mentioning Taco Bell farts in the same video was good too. I like how you explained how each fragrance was slightly different. I usually just spray stuff on and go. Thanks for the info." The intro that he was talking about was the intro for last week's video. Last week I tried something new. I was playing around with a new green screen that I ordered, and I made a parody of the Braveheart speech, and I put it at the beginning of my "Which Creed event is cloned and inspired by is the best" video. I noticed that nearly everybody who watched the video skipped through the intro. I think it might be because the video itself was nearly 15 minutes long and then the intro on top of that. So I trimmed the intro from the video. Don't worry, you'll see it again. I'll load it back up someday with a shorter video. And then I'll keep the green screen fun to the shorter videos from now on. Some dads love their lawnmowers, some love their Skechers, some love their cars. I love this green screen. If you also want to get a shout out, all you have to do is put a YouTube appropriate comment on any one of my videos. And then each time I make a video, I'll pick a comment to put on there. That way you guys can be a part of the channel too. Alright, here's the information I found out about the watch. So if you look at the label on the front, it says CAS 64. That is incorrect for this watch. So the base model for this does not match the watch itself. This watch is the AE 2000W, which is the Casio Men's Classic Quartz watch with a resin strap, black. And once again, this watch is $26 on Amazon, and the box is $34 a month. So the battery life on this watch, as it says right on the top, is 10 years. It does have the world time, it has the stopwatch feature, and it has an illuminator feature, which you can't really tell because it's, daytime out. It's got different modes that you can choose from, so you can go from the 12-hour days to the 24-hour days, or you can also choose which time zone that you're looking to use it for, and the option for up to 2 alarms. The case diameter is 47.7 millimeters. As we said earlier, it's got a resin strap. And then if you can read this on the back, it's got a stainless steel back and it's water resistant for 200 meters. Well, here we have another disappointing box from the monthly watch box. At this point, I'm not really surprised. I think I might be ending this one pretty soon. I think I've been able to get enough information to be able to show you all what kind of stuff to expect should you decide to get this box. I often get asked which box I think people should sign up for, and I really can't answer that. I don't know you guys well enough with your likes and your dislikes to be able to say that. However, I usually point people to the monthly roundup video, which is where I take all of the different subscription boxes for watches that I've received throughout the month, and then I compare them side by side. So check out this one from last month, and then leave a comment letting others know which one you think is the best, and I'll see you there.